Imagine receiving a phone call in the middle of a quiet night. The voice on the other end sounds exactly like your loved one, crying for help and pleading for immediate assistance. Your heart begins to race as you listen, completely convinced that something terrible is happening. But in reality, nothing is as it seems. The voice is not real. It's generated by sophisticated artificial intelligence, designed to trick you into handing over your money or personal information. This isn't the plot of a futuristic thriller. It's a stark warning from the FBI about AI-fueled cyber attacks that are growing more sophisticated by the day. In recent times, cybercriminals have discovered that AI technology can be exploited to clone voices and create hyper-realistic deepfake videos. They use these tools to mimic the tone, cadence, and even the emotional nuances of real people, making it nearly impossible to distinguish between a genuine call and an elaborate scam. This new breed of cybercrime is not only targeting individuals, but is also set on disrupting businesses and organizations, creating havoc and loss on a massive scale. One case that has sent shockwaves through communities involved a distressed parent who received a late-night call that sounded exactly like her daughter, pleading for help. The voice on the other end was laced with fear and desperation, urging immediate action and demanding a ransom. In reality, the daughter was safe and sound, enjoying a fun day out with friends, while the scammer used AI to clone her voice perfectly. The parent, overwhelmed by the emotional weight of the call, nearly complied with the demands, illustrating just how dangerously convincing these scams have become. But it's not only individual families falling prey to these high-tech cons. In a particularly brazen attack, criminals managed to clone the voice of a prominent company director and tricked a bank manager into transferring a staggering $35 million. In another incident, a US employee was deceived into wiring $220,000 after receiving what he believed was an urgent call from his CEO. These cases highlight the alarming fact that no one is immune to these scams, not even seasoned professionals who might otherwise be expected to spot the red flags. The FBI has issued stern warnings about the rise of these AI-driven scams. Agents have emphasized that criminals are now using artificial intelligence to craft fake phone calls, emails, and even video messages that sound and look completely genuine. According to the FBI, these advanced scams are designed to target not only individuals, but also entire organizations, making them a threat to both personal and corporate security. As AI technology becomes more accessible, criminals are finding it easier than ever to tailor their scams to specific victims, increasing both the frequency and the potential impact of these attacks. So how do these scams work? Cybercriminals start by gathering data from various public sources such as social media profiles, online videos, and even casual voice messages. They then use this data to feed powerful AI algorithms capable of recreating a person's voice and appearance with remarkable accuracy. With the help of deepfake technology, they craft messages or phone calls that mimic a trusted voice or image, making it virtually impossible for the average person to detect any discrepancy. The technology behind these scams is advancing rapidly. It can generate emails that are free of grammatical errors, produce profile pictures that seem genuine, and even simulate video calls with realistic facial expressions and lip movements. The consequences of falling victim to these scams are severe. For individuals, it's not just about the financial loss, although that can be devastating, but also about the emotional trauma that accompanies being deceived by someone who sounds like a loved one. Imagine the shock and heartbreak of hearing your family member's voice in distress, only to later discover that it was nothing more than a sophisticated trick designed to empty your bank account. For businesses, the risks are even greater. A single successful deepfake call can bypass standard verification processes, leading to enormous financial losses, breaches of confidential information, and significant damage to a company's reputation. It also undermines the trust that employees and customers place in a business's communication channels. As we look toward the future, experts warn that the technology behind deepfakes is only going to become more refined. Soon, the synthetic voices and videos created by AI may be virtually indistinguishable from those of real people, even when scrutinized by advanced detection systems. This means that the challenges we face today could evolve into even more insidious forms of deception, where every unexpected call or suspicious message might be a potential trap. The prospect of an arms race between cybercriminals and cybersecurity experts is very real, with each side continuously refining their techniques and tools. Despite these alarming developments, there are practical steps that individuals and businesses can take to protect themselves from AI-powered scams. One of the most effective measures is to establish a secret code or password with family members and close friends. This code can serve as a quick verification method, If you receive an urgent call, ask for the code. If the caller fails to provide it, it's a strong indication that something is amiss. Another crucial tip is to always verify the identity of the caller by using a known, trusted number. If you receive an unexpected call that seems urgent, hang up and call back using a number that you have saved, rather than the one displayed on your screen. It's also important to be vigilant about the subtle details that might give away a scam. For example, if you're on a video call and notice that the lip movements are slightly out of sync, or that the eyes do not appear natural, these could be signs of a deepfake. Scammers are becoming increasingly adept at producing realistic content, but even the most advanced deepfakes often have minor glitches that can alert a discerning observer. Additionally, limiting the amount of personal information you share online can help reduce the risk of your data being used to create a convincing fake. Cybercriminals can scrape public profiles and other online content to build a detailed picture of their targets, making it easier to replicate their voice or appearance. For businesses, it is advisable to implement multi-factor authentication across all critical systems and communication channels. This extra layer of security ensures that even if a scammer manages to impersonate a trusted voice, they would still be unable to complete a transaction without an additional form of verification. Regular training sessions on cybersecurity best practices for employees can also go a long way in preventing successful scams. Educating staff about the latest tactics used by cybercriminals, including AI-driven scams, empowers them to spot and report suspicious activity before it results in a costly breach. While the threat of AI-powered cyber attacks may seem overwhelming, it also presents an opportunity for the cybersecurity industry to innovate. Researchers and law enforcement agencies are investing heavily in the development of tools that can detect and flag deepfake content. New algorithms are being designed to analyze subtle inconsistencies in audio and video data, making it possible to verify the authenticity of digital communications. Although this is an ongoing arms race, each new advancement in detection technology brings us one step closer to neutralizing these threats. Now more than ever, it is essential to remain informed and proactive in the face of these emerging dangers. If you receive any suspicious calls or messages, take a moment to verify the authenticity before taking any action. This small pause could be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major financial loss. Remember that technology is evolving at a breakneck pace, and staying one step ahead requires constant vigilance and a willingness to adapt. Share this knowledge with your family, friends, and colleagues. The more people who are aware of these risks, the harder it becomes for cybercriminals to succeed. In this digital age, our best defense against sophisticated scams is a well-informed community. Encourage others to implement simple yet effective security measures, like establishing secret codes and using verified contact information. Report any suspicious activity to the appropriate authorities, such as the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, so that law enforcement can track and mitigate these threats. Ultimately, the battle against AI-driven cybercrime is one that affects all of us. Whether it's a heart-wrenching scam targeting a worried parent or a high-stakes fraud that drains millions from a corporation, the impact of these attacks is profound and far-reaching. By arming ourselves with knowledge and taking proactive steps to secure our communications, we can help safeguard our personal and financial well-being. Let's stand together against these modern-day con artists and ensure that technology remains a force for good rather than a tool for deception. This is not just a call for individual vigilance, it's a rallying cry for a collective effort. By spreading awareness and sharing best practices, we can make it significantly more difficult for scammers to exploit our trust. Every time you choose to verify a suspicious call or educate someone about these risks, you contribute to a broader shield of defense that benefits everyone. In a world where digital communication is a lifeline, preserving the integrity of our interactions is more important than ever. Stay safe, stay alert, and remember, in the face of advanced AI scams, a little skepticism can go a long way. Let's work together to keep our communities secure and do our part to expose and stop these deceptive tactics before they cause irreversible harm. Every informed decision, every precaution taken, and every conversation about these risks is a step toward a safer digital future for all Americans.